Alright, I got a little bonus feature for you today. I got this shipment here from Kicker. And it's a little something that I needed for a little collection of mine that I have going on, which will also be a future video. But this was a piece that I needed, and they happened to have it sitting in storage at Stillwater themselves. So let's check it out and see what it is. What have we got in here? Power cord. Oh wow, would you look at that? Wow. Here is a Kicker ZX or IK 350 battery pack. Now this is so that you can take your IK or your ZK 350 on the go. This is to charge it, and you could use it as standby without the battery pack if you like, which I was missing this too, which I'm happy they sent this in because I kind of made my own, and I was asking about this adapter right here, which size this barrel connector is. And they said, you know what, we actually might have one of those sitting here. So they definitely hooked me up, and I appreciate them so much. Just look at that. It's faded. This is from 2009, so this has been just sitting in storage. Now, is it brand new? Does it look like it? Not entirely, but you know, I am not going to complain. But the box looks a little banged up, but I mean, come on, it's been sitting there for 11 years. This might have been a return, or this might have been something with like, you know, someone ordered the wrong part, wrong thing, they thought it was for something else, who knows, but I have it. Right here, we got the 12 volt, 1800 milliamp battery. It's a lithium NiMH battery. I think that's lithium, or that's nickel. That's a nickel battery. And it weighs 2 pounds, so it's nice and light. Tools needed, screwdriver. That's probably to mount it. Yes, as you can see here, they have images here with the ZK upside down, and you just kind of screw it on and plug it in. So let's take a look at this thing. Oh yeah, this is brand new. This is brand new. Wow, and a remote. Wow, and a remote. I didn't have the remote. That's awesome. Yeah, I've been finding a couple amphitheaters, and they all seem to have all their pieces. I even got one with a manual, remote, cord, and everything. But as I've been getting more, they've been coming with less, and this one had nothing. But I do not see the ZK or the IK being sold anywhere on eBay. I'm like, I gotta grab this thing. I don't know if it works, but I'll try it, and it works. So I got the remote there. Little manual shows when the battery needs charged. It's pretty cool. And here's the battery itself. Pretty simple. This goes to the ZK, and then this is so you can charge it. So how about we clear this up, and we'll try to install it and see how it fits. Here's my little ZK 350. It's for a Zune, but it takes MP3 jack right there, and an aux back there too, which is pretty cool. I didn't even realize that, to be honest. When I first tested it, I tested it from this aux in. I'd assume that's the same thing, or it's just a headphone out jack. So you know what? That's probably just a headphone out jack, so you can listen to it separately. I'm not sure why, but hey. And then this antenna back here is for the FM stations, and this is for your audio out and video out. Back in 2009, if you had one of the Zune videos, you would be able to hook this up to your TV. This would be your sound, and then your Zune would play it on the TV, whatever was playing on the Zune. I don't want to go too much into this because I'm going to do a video on a few of these. So what we're going to do, Put it upside down like it says. And then it looks like from the instructions, you need a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, you pull these out and then you reinsert them. And then that's it. So let's go get a screwdriver and we'll get to it. You know what, more and more I look at this, I don't think it came with the screws. So I'm gonna have to find screws that will fit for that. Let's just try it. Let me hook that up there, right into the dock. Might need charged. There we go. And you can see, I don't know if you can see there, but lights are on and it's turning on. So I'll definitely have to let that charge for a while and try that, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, see, it's lit up, but it's real dark. Yep. Yeah, she just needs charge. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that was pretty cool. They definitely hooked me up on that, and I appreciate that. Thank you, Kicker. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.